Yabo kwaba yada se wo Adom TV kasi afia ni de mientie se de nsem no enchemu ankasa etie akwantufo ya womo efa pantoa efa dambai ketakrachi anasa krachi east mensino emu no ene de obi nko ene obi emma evise sa pantu no ohaw abahunti enye dwuma womo akosem woni Adom TV kasi edinkomoyi.
It's a bit stressful sometimes too so stressful.
Share with us. I'm traveling on this river with a life jacket. How dangerous is it?
Extremely dangerous. It's just like living between life and death. The next moment you are gone, next moment you are living. So that's what we've been living with for all this while.
So look at this boat and looking at the number of persons on board. Is there any fear?
Yeah, it's so scary, but over the years we've been using it, so it's become normal with us. But it's scary. It's very
so for how long have you been traveling on this?
Give or take 7 years now.
That is 7 years.
Seven.
7
so,
years.
Yeah.
Travel on this every day.
Yeah.
Morning, afternoon.
Yeah, morning and evening. Yeah.
So where do you teach?
I'm now at Motoka DHS. Yeah.
If you took one drew a hand, the lane there to me, how papa. I will say, Mra, won't he answer, would you bow for Drufino? Ube won't say, Botune, Pantuna, about the delay with Hassan, obey delay with Hassan. I could do say, Tamanka, one person would be Drufino, Sambrena, Obabi Yapan, and Sana Wakufi. And at me, how ye pa.
Then no Jason come here. I was sure so bit me abua.
Ne ma dwin se nka bridge na yet me nya I want so we so a bit me aboa nti anya bridge ami hunu adekode a be sat me aye wo hama at me aboa ama akwantu na at me aye ntama amaye I will say nka nimpa nkwa ho hia se nka ya ba ha nka yenye life jacket nanso ebi ni boat no mu na nimpa na nka sese wo mfa anya kakra bi mboa se ye betimi ade across bribi entimi nsi no na nimpa na sa ko bruso too much nti ye hwe a nimpa nkwanso yade a hia yiye nti ayade a yesro ewansu no so
enwechi nipa ba ko wonsu bontu ewo dambai kwesi jagi eni Adom kase etwetwe nkommode to bensiri mpanimfo eni aban enim se ebeya nkomre wo mu life jackets na wo twensu ya wo de abo wo
maento akase no eso na adehia wo mu amansia central ewo asantemantem monso se ne galamse no edi won mawupa wo mu kwaye no wo matie simo se no enti sesei wo mba mu ani ada hode asaye wo mu yakura ne se wo mayo ano so ahyehye wo mu nyinsen ena won mo kwan no so enye chese hadwen Adom kase abo apro akoho akohunu niema Adom TV etwasi
say akwan enye wonyema wontimi nko hospital wontimi nko ba bia chese be ne dai enso du so de kokromotiri de shahane hia onde wom aba abaji kokromotiri eti yesra ban pa ne mpanfo ne se omu ya mabo na kwan ne de omonyama sese mpanfo kwan eka afa kwa we su no Forest. Okay, then. Galamse. Galano. Omu na say a forest no gala e to hono. Eko first kan de sikani na mu wom nam. Ye nam ko say di hanu mu na kakra. Ka do go focus ye nam ya nim say. Mu ko ho ya forest hono. Enye no ma tu ni say e che ekejetia. E ho ye say pasa. Ti ye ni abita ye ni dia bele e say e ko mo be fu ye godu. No masa abanyenyo ya ma no akwa ya kwan so nsa anya ma ba fi egodu awie no masa ase ya kwan no masa anya ya gufo o ma nya ya ni o aja so mo sa ma me kene asa du sa wa sa kiye no so ni ya kwan so ni ase yes for ka na se anko moto se anko abobo ya se anko o mu di ya mo se ya pasa nti ya sire fane se ya kwan ni dia anything to kwa ni say timafo no ni galafo ni penfo na mo hono mo ma shift egu hono mo enya asem gotoa wa yi ni bi nso abako so ko pe bi nso ani yakun adenti so ni sika no so woni sika woni na agi
maento akase no so na technical officer ma nutrition e water West Health Directorate a gifty bafo ewua nene wodi samutu jase mapemfo dodo no wo moja so awie no ekosoro e wo ho pa na so ba pemfo moja so etia etumi ema wo firi mu ana ekomo ne santi no de kokobo ne afutuo ema ba apemfo wo se woni die mu a wadidie mu won so won bedidi yie na etumi aboa mu moja ebetumi akora won ene abodoma da won yem a Adom TV kasei etwaso
ya ye cheke omo HB na at 36 so obewa enti ano so no ye compare 2021 and 2023 na 2021 no 1151 2022 1570 2023 1202 enti na echese nyame adom ye kasa ye ne omo kasa na food demonstration ya ye nyina no enkobone ebua ama mothers no ahu se ne ombesi adidi ye na ombenya iron level na nanse omo iron no bekosro na omo benya moja se edu se oba abewa bibiboni bia entu onene ban esanse se maame no oye anemeka na se ni moja asoti ana ni moja awia akwala no sebi obetimi afrim abra wo ye funu anase owo na akwala no be kitikiti maame no so obetimi afrim
enwachi midwife ye wole na house clinic Mary Akrofi echere se apemfa bom ewa anemia no se bana se bom ewo a eya na moja etu wo mo wo kire mo sei ena okan
ya jitu se General Hospital ye mother hospital or a referral center really dominant for memory ever and therefore Lena houses I think funny and collaborate ever into year collaborating with my dressing as part of being a pregnant mother no so say you did for so the me moja dodo any nutrient dodo a ebewama bibi no atumi enyi Lena house clinic efficient
ni de ma adehye wo Ablekuma West Esla usu ekufo nene wa power Esla Foundation hontoma but ayeni nyina ne se na bato mpesua so wode ebeboa ne mpunto na fe mabunu ene emma onyeye akwa animo wa pa hontoma achechire mu Adom TV etwaso
said in entrepreneurship, as you've been told, you push, which is one of the initiatives that we'll be rolling out, will support you and provide you with the assistance that you need to be your own boss and run your own business and hire your own staff and make a difference in your own life. If you want to study, we'll seek assistance for you with support through scholarships and training and mentorship.
Mamanaswa osaka de kan ho se emfa honi amanyuko obi ye don woni peso no weso no foundation ya wodi abai obi abanya so mfa so ye nya de obi yen yimu papa mu bia ewo.
Let me use this opportunity to also appeal for others who may be interested in partnering us to develop this foundation into an initiative that impacts lives, and hopefully not just in Ablekuma West, but across the country as well. We'll provide them with vocational skills if that's what they require. And digital skills is something that's very close to my heart as well. We'll provide access to credit facilities and knowledge transfer and apprenticeship as well. Now, I think most people first heard about Esla with her work in FIDA and women's empowerment. And so that is also going to continue through this foundation. If you are
interested, for ya wobobo won ho e wo Kenya se wa afomantemu ye de won mafa entitiye ene nchechire mu a wo bia mfa po bia nwura examination ho na fe won mo agina yie na watimi atre won so he be wi akire no nkunimde be ye won de Adom TV edebe
so him ya twam friends so him a ha adwen pa na ne nyina ne se waek no dwuma di a wodi no o won hyehyɛ wo ho ti ne pese students no ehu nhyehyɛ enema esese woye enema ensese woye titru de ensese woye a anase de woye ade nsunsu asebone ebebre wo no eno ene ye kan wasem bia di kan ye hu se my friend bebre o trotro nema bi hye won ho e de exams ho a eno emwa na efe ni titru eye mobile phone e hawe wo ne se waek ensa so mu se wo de mobile phone aba exams ho a de wom se sɔre na watro ne nyina work betwam eti na yetuma fan fo se enema bi a titu ebe ha ama wom sunsun so wasua de a ofa bom ho ka na be sima be mienu miensa bi okoye nema bi a ensa fi se eno emmoa
eno achi founder ye onukure ya saye leader Emma Elevation Youth Fellowship Francis Nsia enso kadeka ho se
ya hunu ensunsuanso a enya ewo adesua enhyemu se ye call ye district education directorate wa ye check records a since ye say dwumade no ase no directors ebe testify various penimfo a ewo offices no ebe testify say adesua modemo asesam bebre first and any performance esitie even among the 6 districts in Ahafo first no na Stephen North district na in fact near where chikra but I said dwumade ama Stephen North district ya modemo no say ye kan adesua mu nsemo a in fact etimi ekoye nim epa
mayenko shama mensini monswe honso examination coordinator Kobna Lawson so the ato asuafo a womo ani da kwan se bosumi a yebesimi wo betron so hwe ye BC no se woni die mu aponom ne niema bi ebewie kire betwe won pepa mu de wontwe won ho firim
o ga ko treasure say ya mo na afutu bebe ne kese gina bibia ye frɛ no more practices do mo frama no de wonanwa to bibia wo friend na apoda won nti yanyi wana kasa yaye briefing and sensitization ama yanyi wana kasa na mama won otu apo oba won again so yes directives ama won CCR acheche for nyi won bokum na ya che won do's and don'ts the other way in examination center na za on kasa way odi ahobi ababa the performance na perform kaka na ndama of course so many factors moframa no wana okeka wo fom ndama akaze aye de bosua de no so aye nyani nya na yenya no wano na yanam ben so abai with the instruction that they are not to be kin na yen na yen to wama wafa different way of disrespecting and other things damani na so amwa na cheche fu no so buda wo bo modern
anu si yepe na Isaac Kwame na afo e de sansemi etodwa
the embrace or better BC na mofobi ye mindset na what suyazi na work exams so what the church on the exams na hwana no be ye mofo we na we moframa mofo once me parliamentary candidate for NPP abofo bia wo constituency we moframa na muda mu dinu no be here mindset the muda munto massive from JHS won work choice exams na because what choice exams na so owie pay ya obashema so nko obashema nyam oninti inende dey menye DC no onye party chairman yesim ne ye chairman set yezre mamofom a work choice so yo say efia schools wo Sama district or Sama constituency JHS we should obudu be 68 and them 68 schools memo biabi them city na quantity yezre my 2650
Maminyere no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hada bema kwan na no pay ye de siase da ye odia emre ne adaje a wo de fam ye nti awade hwe oso mfa nkomra somdwem se wo pia na mom koso na ne yentena e Facebook/Adom TV extra na se Go TV 119 DSTV 280 wo YouTube nso a wo search Adom TV 2 ye wo hodwumade no ye kwa baba esima mienu ne ye mehwe se de de bonkrata no e de ba ye na no pay na fi online stores ye kwa ba ye nche